For America's servicemen and servicewomen, your unique ability to obtain a VA loan to buy your next home or refinance an existing loan is our country's way of saying thanks. For those who qualify, this superior loan product can help you buy the home of your dreams, or refinance to lower your payments, or rebalance the equity in your home and pull some cash out. Since 1944, this superior loan product is only available to those who have served our country and is a hard-earned benefit for your contribution to keeping America safe. In this short video, we'll explain VA mortgages and how they can help you, then help you get approved if you decide this program is right for you. Some of the unique benefits of our VA loans include: you can buy a home with no down payment, regardless of whether you're a first-time buyer or not, and sellers can even pay your closing cost if your agent negotiates that for you as part of your offer. You can refinance up to 100% of your home's appraised value with no private mortgage insurance or PMI add-ons. There are lower credit score requirements in most cases, as low as 620 mid-score. There are no prepayment penalties. You can pay off your home loan whenever you choose, sell the home, and move whenever you want without any additional fees. Loans over $1 million in the continental US and even higher in Alaska and Hawaii. Cash out refinancing with up to $325,000 in cash back to you. And last, VA loans are assumable, which is very rare, and provides you extra flexibility when it comes time to sell your home and may help you command a premium price at your time of sale. Note that the VA, or Veterans Administration, doesn't actually lend money or make loans. Instead, the federal government guarantees repayment on a portion of each VA loan, and this extra insurance allows lenders to often provide lower rates and higher loan-to-property value ratios than a conventional non-military borrower can obtain. To qualify for VA loan entitlement, you must be one of either a service member on active duty or the spouse of a service member on active duty for at least 181 days of active duty during peacetime, 91 days or more during war, or 6 years in the Reserves or National Guard. An unmarried or remarried spouse of a veteran who died on active duty or became disabled while on active duty, the spouse of an active duty service member who is listed as either MIA or POW for 90 days or more. If you're in one of those groups, step one of getting your VA loan is obtaining your certificate of eligibility. This document formally proves your eligibility and entitlement to this privileged program. You can obtain your certificate of eligibility directly from the VA in a few weeks with some paperwork, or we can retrieve it electronically for you for free in just a few minutes. Once we have this document, the next step is satisfying both lender and VA guidelines for the new proposed loan, which includes credit score and debt-to-income ratio requirements. Debt ratio is based on your new proposed monthly debt as a percentage of your income. Part of this proposed monthly debt can be offset by what's called basic allowance for quarters, informally referred to as housing allowance. In most cases, this counts towards your income along with any bonus pay if stable and likely to continue. Once we have a sketch of what your new loan might be, we'll issue a letter of pre-approval for home buyers. Some home buyers compare this to a giant credit card that you can go out and use to shop for a home. This pre-approval letter lets sellers and real estate agents know that the money will be ready when needed, and while it might look informal, what matters is the phone calls that happen when the seller or bank is ready to accept your offer. Once your offer is accepted, we'll typically have a few weeks to prepare the final loan documents for you to sign, get the keys, and then you'll move into your new home. For those planning improvements to the property you intend to buy, we may be able to even include some construction or improvements in the loan amount. If you're refinancing an existing loan into a VA loan, we'll provide you exact rates and terms and begin gathering paperwork for closing on your new financing. VA refinancing includes two basic types, which are streamlined VA refinancing, which can help you reduce your mortgage payment faster and easier and with less paperwork than nearly any other program. Cash out refinancing up to $325,000. If your home's value has increased or you have equity you'd like to convert into cash, we can increase your mortgage amount and the balance is paid to you in a lump sum to pay off bills, invest for the future, or whatever you choose. Just like buying a home, refinancing is subject to debt-to-income ratio requirements, and it's a powerful tool that can help you reach your goals. VA loans have no prepayment penalties, so if you choose, you can pay an extra amount each month or pay bi-weekly to reduce your term or sell the home whenever you choose. One of the most common questions related to closing a VA loan is regarding a closing cost called the VA funding fee. Note that this can usually be rolled into the loan amount for a refinance, so it won't come out of pocket. Or for home buyers, this can be paid by the seller if your agent has negotiated this for you. The VA funding fee is required unless you've become disabled in the line of duty and have a funding fee waiver from the VA. The VA funding fee helps keep the VA loan program running. The amount of your VA funding fee depends on whether you're buying a home or refinancing, the loan amount, your type of duty, and whether you've previously had a VA loan. Another common question is whether a VA loan is the best choice for one's needs, and this is mostly dependent on whether you have 20% of the property value to put down or more, or your new refinanced mortgage will be lower than 80% of your home's appraised value. For home buyers, the ability to buy a home with nothing down is one of the greatest advantages of this program. But if you have either family contribution or 20% or more of your own cash to put down, we can show you the exact numbers to help you compare a VA loan to other loan products. If you're refinancing, we can help you compare the exact costs as part of our free, no-obligation pre-approval process. For home buyers who might have experienced foreclosure or default, we may be able to help you through a unique part of this program called second-tier entitlement. If that applies to you, ask us for details and we'll be happy to help. Also, VA loans are only available for one's primary residence, which means second, vacation homes, and income or rental property is not allowed, though we may be able to finance your goals with other products that are not part of the VA loan program. As you can see, VA loans are powerful and unique financing tools and a benefit you or a loved one has earned for your or their service to our country. The next step is free, quick, and easy, which is to contact our team and request your certificate of eligibility and then get pre-approved for purchase or get a refinancing quote. There's never an obligation, and we can help you reach your real estate and financial and lifestyle goals. Last, if you know another service member and have found this video useful, why not take a moment and send this video to them? We appreciate the referral, it keeps our costs low, and we want to help more people just like you reach their goals of a better home or better financing. We look forward to speaking with you in person very soon.